If you want your videos to show up in search, even as a small creator, then you need to understand this. If you're tired of uploading videos that never show up in search, then this video is for you. Because YouTube's SEO in 2025, it has changed. It has really changed. And most creators are still using strategy that stopped working years ago. So now I'm here to update you. Okay. Here's how to actually rank your videos, even if you're just starting out. Step one is to start with the search, not the idea. And what do I mean by this? Before you even hit record, go to YouTube and start typing that topic that you want to talk about. Type what your ideal viewers as like what they want to watch, what they are searching for. Find out, do your research on YouTube. What is trending in my niche? What are people searching for? The people that are my target audience, what exactly are they watching this period? You can think of an idea, then you put it in YouTube search. If YouTube auto completes it, that means people are definitely searching for that thing. So then you let YouTube auto complete it and let you know what people are searching for. And there you have it. That is your video idea. That is what you're supposed to talk about. That's what you're supposed to create, because that is where the traffic is, and where you want to be is where there is traffic, not literal traffic on the road, of course, where there's traffic here on YouTube. So that's the real trick. Okay. Go on your YouTube search bar, start typing whatever idea you have in your head. If there is an autocomplete for it, and YouTube autocompletes it for you, that means people are actively searching for that topic or that title or whatever. And then you base your video, if it is related to your audience, base your video on that title. Now, step two is to use the exact keyword in your title, not close, not similar, the exact keyword, the exact phrase that people are actually searching for. For example, if people are searching how to grow a faceless channel, that's what you're going to put. You're going to be direct. Do not go and put how to make money online. Be direct about it. How to literally grow a faceless channel. Step three is to say the keyword in the first 15 seconds of your video. You need to say it. You need to repeat it so that YouTube itself picks it up from what you say. YouTube uses AI to transcribe videos. So if you say your keyword out loud that early, it signals the algorithm what this video is about and the kind of people or the type of audience to push out that video to. And in turn, this helps to get your videos to the right viewers, which helps them to click the video more, which helps your retention, which helps your watch hour. You see how this all correlates, right? They are all connected. So you need to get it right from the jump. Step four is to use strong SEO in the first two lines of your description. Yes, your description on your YouTube videos, they matter. Some people just put anything there. Some people even leave it blank, but the description matters. It helps YouTube also to understand what your channel is about. It also helps your viewers to be able to read and understand more of what the video is about. If maybe before they want to watch the video, some people do that actually, but your description is still very, very important. Okay. So use SEO keywords in the first two lines of your description. Put your main keyword plus a short benefit right at the top line of your description. For example, you can say want to rank in YouTube search in 2025. I'll show you the new strategy that works, even with 0 subscribers. Something like that is good enough for the first two lines of your description for my video now that I'm doing today. Something like that. Step five is to boost engagement in the first hour. That is a very crucial hour. Like when you first upload your video, it's very important. You need to boost engagement immediately. Get people to start commenting, get people to like, get people to engage with the video. Share. You can share the video to people that you know will actually watch. Do not share your link to people that would not watch your video so they don't spoil your algorithm for you. YouTube search results are partly based on how well your video performs in the early hours of the video. Ask for comments, encourage likes. This tells YouTube that your video is worth pushing out. Your video is worth ranking in search. Okay. So things like this, do not just post the video and vanish. Post the video, stay online, reply comments, push people to comment, encourage them to like the video. Stay online with your video. Don't just post and vanish. Also, you can use tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy to check search volume versus competition. Like for TubeBuddy, you can use that to check like search volume, what people are searching for, how does this rank in search, it gives you the whole calculation. And vidIQ can also show you your competition, shows you how they are ranking, shows you how they are doing. So these two tools together is very powerful. Okay, it will help steer you in the right direction. So make use of them. You do not want a keyword with 0 traffic. That's not what you want. But at the same time, you don't want to be competing keyword with someone like Mr. Beast because they will not even find your video. They will not even cite it, talk less of to watch it. So you need to know what you're doing. If you will need my help to review your channel, evaluate it, and also, get one-on-one coaching, optimize your channel, let me know. Send an email to stefanymikeworks@gmail.com. Let me help you manage your channel and take care of it. Okay. We are supposed to be out here making money. Anybody on YouTube that is not yet making money and they are putting out content, like serious content, you're not taking it serious. You're just wasting your time here because this is 2025. If you're not making money on the internet, what are you using yourself to do? Okay, so if you need help with that, you need assistance, send an email, stefanymikeworks@gmail.com. Let me know that you're interested in one-on-one coaching, channel optimization, all that good stuff. Okay, I hope this video today helps you in a step further to get your videos to rank in search. Okay, just follow the steps, do the right thing, and you will see results in the changes in your video. You're going to be ranking in search. Thank you for watching today's video. Do not forget to share this video to someone that wants to rank in search so that they can also learn, and also do subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever I post a single video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.